It's been a pretty cold and snowy winter so far, and many have to cover their ears because we still have more winter to get through.
22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko is working for you with how this can typically be a very snowy time of year.
Well, Nick and Ciara, historically, some of the biggest snowstorms and blizzards we've seen have occurred during the month of February. Unlike some winters we've had recently, this winter has seen more snow and cold. There is plenty of snow on the ground all across western Massachusetts right now, and many rivers and ponds have frozen over.
So far this winter is one of the coldest in quite a while, and also one of our snowiest. So far this winter we've seen 36.7 inches of snow. Just last night we picked up another quarter of an inch, so yeah, 36.7 inches of snow at Westover Air Reserve Base.
And we can still get quite a bit of snow this time of year. In the past, some of our biggest snowstorms have occurred during the month of February. There was the blizzard of 1978 that paralyzed the state for days. In 2013, another powerful February blizzard hit western Massachusetts on the 8th and 9th. 20 inches of snow fell in less than 24 hours. The cleanup from that storm lasted for days. Some other big February snowstorms include February 15th through the 17th in 1958, February 5th through 6th, 2001, and February 17th and 18th in 2003. And on average, we get around 12.6 inches of snow during the month of February here in the Springfield area. Working for you, I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko.